Hey everybody, welcome to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. Today we're going to be working with the Liquify mask options. So when you work with an image that contains a selection or a mask, you can control how the Liquify command adjusts the image with that mask information. So pretty much you can get more of a precise control over what portions are modified. So let's go ahead and open up an image or a document or something like that. And go ahead, let's make a selection. And I'm just going to make a selection over this fish right here. And then let's go apply the Liquify. So now you can see that the Liquify is only going to use this set of masks, or this selection, I mean. So we've got a couple of mask options here. Make sure you check the advanced mode button, and that'll bring up some of our mask options. So I'm going to go over some of these mask options and tell you a little bit about them. So the first one we've got is replace selection. So this shows the selection, transparency, or layer mask in the original image. If I select that, that's what's going to happen there. Excuse me. The next one is add to selection. That shows the mask in the original image, so you can then add to the selection using the freeze tool. The next one here is the subtract from selection. That's going to subtract pixels in the selection, and it's going to subtract them from the current protection with the freeze tool. So let me just draw in here with freeze tool. Alright, and that way I can use the selection that way. And then I've got intersect with selection, and it uses only the pixels that are selected and currently frozen. And then the next one is invert selection. That uses your selection to invert the currently frozen area. So that's what I got there. And then I'll go ahead and apply like something like this going on here. Hit OK. And then you can see that only that part of the selection was affected. And now you know a little bit more about the Liquify mask options. So that was a little quick tutorial I wanted to go over with you. And now you know more about the mask options. And it's going to be helpful to you to know about those when you're working with a layer. So if you wanted to just completely mask out the fish, you could take your time, and then you can use the Liquify options on the fish. So that's pretty helpful. So thanks a lot for watching the tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.